Well, is it a sign of the times? Perhaps. And as morbid as it may be, Colorado lawmakers have passed a bill to add emergency Stop the Bleed kits in schools all across the state.
It's part of the state Senate's focus on school safety. Reporter Mark Salinger takes a look at the bill and why some think lawmakers came up short as far as school safety.
If saving lives is the goal, these Stop the Bleed kits are critical once something has already gone terribly wrong.
This investment is to help someone survive.
In a legislative session focused on school safety, a new bill that passed the Senate today focuses on the morbid reality that schools aren't always safe.
I certainly hope they gather dust, that there's never a need for them.
Republican Representative Mary Bradfield is one of the sponsors of the bill. She says the goal is to have the kits at the ready in case someone cuts themselves or falls down or, yes, if there's a school shooting.
Whatever we can do for schools to keep kids and staff stay safe and well, we are all in.
All in, unless it involves limiting guns. I asked Bradfield why she didn't support the gun bills that passed earlier this year that Democrats say would help prevent school shootings before they even happen.
But you don't think people should necessarily have limits on the guns that they can buy?
I'm not going to answer that. I'm a Republican. I think you probably understand when I say those are your Second Amendment rights.
Bradfield says the state should instead focus on making mental health resources more accessible to help prevent more school shootings.
It definitely intersects with school safety.
Democratic Representative Mary Young also sponsored the bill, but supported the gun laws passed earlier.
We're not trying to violate anyone's Second Amendment rights, but we have to have a whole complement of things that will provide safety in schools.
The training would be free, so would the kits, but they're only useful if the unthinkable has already happened.
That was Mark Salinger reporting.